Hey guys, welcome to an episode of Cooking with the Reaper, your heavy metal chef. Got a lot of stuff going on today, guys, so pay attention, we're gonna move fast. Got my manicottis in the water. I'm not boiling them. I'm just gonna soak them in hot tap water, but no more than 20 minutes. All right? Got my hamburger, my sausage and onion mixture over here in the skillet. In the pan. Got Gunchi with us. Alright. I'm throwing in half a teaspoon of pepper. We're going to throw in about a half a teaspoon of salt. Remember guys, you can always add it, but you can't take it out. And hey, I gotta give a shout out. I ran into a guy at the store the other day, come up to me, had to introduce himself. Him and his wife watch me all the time. So the guy that was at the store the other day, hey, shout out to you and your wife. Thanks for watching and supporting. Love you guys. All right. We got our peeled tomatoes, straight from Italy. Because you know, it's hard to get fresh ones around here this time of year. But we're gonna do our sauce. And we're gonna become one with our sauce. So this is gonna get messy, guys. But we're gonna make a marinara. Oh yeah. Won't take too long to do this. And guys, with a little bit of effort, we have an amazing sauce. Amazing. But we got a fresh grated parmesan, got a mozzarella. I got my ricotta over here, and we're gonna make stuffed manicottis for you guys. Now, be warned, guys. When you're squishing these tomatoes, it can become a little messy. All right, so be careful, or it'll squirt all over. Hey, maybe I should squirt Gunchi with some tomatoes. As he stands back and exits the kitchen. All right. I'm just gonna squish this up. You gotta become one with the sauce, guys. Man, one with the sauce.
You sound like some guy who does meditation.
Why? I highly doubt that I'm the meditation kind of guy. And guys, these were already peeled. So we're just gonna scrunch them up. Oh yeah. Oh, let's see, I got a multitask. This could be dangerous. Reaper multitasking. Cause you know. Alright. We got a burger. Half a vadallia onion. Sweet Italian sausage. Alright, all in the pan. And we're gonna use this pan to cook our sauce too. Alright? Burger flying everywhere. All right. As I'm still concentrating on the sauce. Oh yeah. All right. Uh-oh. Flying sauce. Flying sauce.
As you would say, you've become one with the sauce.
All right. But guys, when you're doing manicottis, it's better just to soak them in hot tap water. All right? Because then they don't become soft and mushy. Oh yeah, look at that. Man, Alright, now we're gonna add a little pepper. Woohoo! That's a lot of pepper, sorry guys. You'll like that. Alright, let me wash my hands. I'll be right back. So we got fresh basil in there, pepper, sugar. I'm gonna throw in a dab of salt. And this is pink Himalayan. Alright, so I got an egg in here. I'm gonna whisk this up real quick. Oh yeah, guys. This is gonna help our ricotta. Help it become creamy. Alright. And it sort of acts as a bonding agent. Alright. And this is good ricotta cheese, guys. This comes from the Italian market down the street. So this is not that gritty stuff. This is nice, smooth ricotta. Got 3 cups going in. Oh yeah. Guys, there's a lot of prep into this, but it's so worth it. So worth it. Oh yeah. All right. Oh, sin. Almost forgot my garlic. About 3 cloves. And we're going to put about 3 cloves in the sauce as well. All right. We're going to throw in a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Why nutmeg? It brings out the flavors, enhances the flavors in your cheese. Okay? Now I'm going to throw about a 1/2 cup, well, 3/4 of a cup of parmesan in there. Fresh grated.
There it is. Fresh grated cheese.
But then I'm using mozzarella. About a cup and a half. All right? We're going to use the rest for the top. And we're going to throw in about a 1/2 cup of sour cream. Why? Because that's going to make it creamy. And this is going to knock it right out of the ballpark, guys. All right? Then goes some parsley, fresh grated parsley. All right? And we're going to throw in some basil. This is fresh basil. Oh yeah, there's our filling. Other than the meat. But we're frying this up now. It's almost ready. Let's get this garlic and everything all blended in there, guys. Oh yeah. And this little gadget, I love this thing. You guys got a chance to get one of these? You gotta get it. Man, you can mince your stuff as small as you want. It rocks. It rocks, guys. Remember, stay metal. But we're almost done browning this up. I want it small, guys, because we're going to put our filling in the piping bag, okay, to fill our shells. All right, but while this is finishing up, stick around. We'll be right back. So we got our meat. It's browned up, it's good to go. You know what? We're cooking our sauce right in the same pan. All right. So, in goes the sauce. All right. Amazing. And we're just gonna let this meat cool up to the side over here. And you guessed it,
Fresh grated Romano.
about a 1/4 cup. Guys, the more cheese in this, the better. And sweet vadallia. Now there's basil in the sauce, as you see. I did throw in some chili flakes, just a dab. All right. As you see, we got our ricotta and everything mixed up. We're just waiting for the meat to cool. And let's see how our manicottis are doing over here. Yeah. They're getting there, guys. They're getting there. Remember, it's going to bake in the oven for about 40 minutes at 350. All right? And you want these firm but soft at the same time. All right. You only got to let this simmer, guys, for about 15 minutes, all right? But the Romano is going to add as like a thickening agent. Oh yeah, look at that goodness in that pan, guys. Amazing. Don't expect anything less from the Reaper. Perfection. I'm a little messy today. And just got off work, came home. Gotta make the manicotti. Alright, so we got that on about a medium heat. That'll be good to go. And I did put garlic in the sauce as well, as you seen earlier. And we're going to spray our pan. Why? Easy cleanup. I keep forgetting to buy Crisco. But, you know. Then our meat's cooling down. See it over here, guys? Put it on the towel. It sucks up some of the grease. Even though this was lean. So there really wasn't a lot of grease in it. Okay? But, I'll see you when our sauce is done, guys. All right, we'll get this thing stuffed, get them in the oven, stick around. All right, guys. I did throw a little fresh grated parmesan. What you want to do? You want to ladle a little bit of sauce on the bottom. You don't want the bottom of the manicotti to feel left out and get all lonely. All right? Okay. Man, that sauce smells good. Alright. We got our mix together. I got it in a piping bag. I've dried my manicotti shells. I'm going to show you a little trick. Squeeze it right in there, guys. You want it to come out the end. Place it in the pan. You want it to come out the end. Oh yeah. These things are amazing, guys. You're gonna like them. It's well worth the effort. All right. But we'd like to thank you guys for being with us. And don't forget, guys, subscribe. Guys, all get into the video. Forget to hit the subscribe button. All right. It's all good. We know you love us. We love you. You guys rock. Alright, but I wanted to show you how to fill those, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and finish filling these, and I'll be right back with you. Alright, guys, got them all filled. I'm going to go ahead and just lightly dust the tops with some of that parmesan. And we're going to go ahead and you're going to need roughly 3.5 to 4 cups of sauce for this, guys. That's why I use 2 cans. All right. Oh yeah. Man, this stuff smells so good. What do you think, Gunge? How's it smell?
Smells great.
I just filled in around the edges with some of the leftover filling, which we have quite a bit left. Alright. Whoops, that was almost a disaster. And we'll just throw that in. Alright, now I already got my oven preheated. Some more parmesan. All right. Some mozzarella. This is not grated from the block, guys. I apologize. I didn't have time. Whoops, whoops. Alright. Man down. That's definitely not a Reaper keeper. We don't want that.
That's a doggo keeper.
Now you want to use about 2 cups of your mozzarella. The more cheese in this, guys, the better. Alright? I think we're good with that. Oh yeah. This is like, almost like a lasagna on steroids, eh? Alright. And of course, the Reaper's favorite.
Fresh grated Romano.
We're just gonna, just a little bit, guys. Just a little bit. Oh yeah.
It's a lot of cheese.
Yes, it is a lot of cheese. But, it's amazing. Alright, and I'm just gonna sprinkle some fresh basil right over the top of this, guys. Oh yeah. Alright. I'm gonna pop this sucker in the oven and we'll see you in about 40 minutes, guys. Alright guys, I was rushing it a little bit, but there you are. Stuffed manicotti. You will be amazed. This is like a little taste of Italy, right in your own home. Remember, God bless you. Thanks for being with us. See you next time.